What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to transfer money using Wells Fargo's online banking. Now there are three ways to do this. The first is transferring funds between Wells Fargo's accounts. How you want to do that is to log into your Wells Fargo online banking account and then just click on the transfer option to from the top navigation menu, and then just select the account that you want to transfer funds between, and then just enter the amount that you want to transfer, and of course choose the dates that you want to transfer, the date you want to transfer to occur, and then of course you need to review and confirm the transfer details. Now for transferring funds to an external account, what you want to do is to first log into your Wells Fargo online banking account, and then just click on the transfer option from the top navigation menu, and then you need to select the external account that you want to transfer funds to, and then just enter the amount that you want to transfer, and of course choose the date that you want the transfer to occur, and then you got to review and confirm the transfer details. Now for using Zelle for person-to-person transfer, how you want to do that is to log into your Wells Fargo online banking account, and then you need to click on the send money with Zelle option from the top navigation menu, and then just enter the recipient's name, email address, or mobile phone number. Just enter the amount that you want to transfer, and then you gotta review and confirm the transfer details. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to transfer money using Wells Fargo's online banking. Hope you guys found the video useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.